Hey, I'm Steve Konish, and here's a quick demonstration of CoreOS Immutability. So CoreOS is the underlying default operating system that ships with the masters and the worker nodes within an OpenShift cluster. It's based on the RHEL 8 kernel, and it's completely immutable. In other words, you can't change it. You can't add RPMs, for example. It's got SELinux enabled and set to enforcing mode. And that's how we do some of the multi-tenant separation on OpenShift. Now, with this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and launch a container on one of the worker nodes, and this will enable us to connect to the actual worker, and from there we can examine the immutability. So what we're going to do is open the OpenShift console, and then we're going to connect to the worker node, and we're going to actually launch the container 00, and that will enable us to type various commands to examine the immutability. So let's go ahead and get started with the demo. Okay, we're at the OpenShift console. Let's go ahead and look at the compute nodes. And let's go ahead and attach to one of the containers for worker 0. And let's go look at the terminal window. Okay, we're attached. Let's look at the SELinux status, and you can see the command is not found. Now you'll see the yum command is available inside the container to add additional RPMs, but not in CoreOS itself. Now let's go ahead and look at the Red Hat release. And you see this is built on the Red Hat UBI image based on 7.8. Now let's go ahead and switch to the host binaries down at CoreOS. And let's run those same commands. First, let's get an SELinux status, and you can see that it's set to enforcing mode. Next, let's look for the yum command. You can see that the yum command doesn't exist because the image itself is immutable. Now let's go ahead and look at the Red Hat release, and you can see it's based on Red Hat Enterprise Linux CoreOS 4.5, which is based on RHEL 8.2. So that concludes this demonstration. Thanks for watching.